Hi friends, and welcome back to Storytime with me, DLee Santa Maria. But of course, you can call me DLee.
Today's story is called Jojo and the Big Mess by Jane O'Connor. Pictures based on the art of Robin Praise Glasser. I have a story, what could it be? I have a story, come listen and see. I have a story, what could it be? Gather around to read with me. Jojo and the Big Mess. Hi, I'm Jojo. I make messes. I can't help it. Today I cook with Nancy. She's my big sister. Oops, I make a mess. Daddy is not mad. Into the tub I go. Today I work in the yard. Oops, I make a big mess. Daddy is not mad. Into the pool we go. Later, Freddie comes to play. He's my pal. We have a fight. It is not a real fight. It is a pillow fight. Kaboom, 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 kaboom. Look, feathers are flying. We shake the pillows, more feathers fly. Daddy comes in. This time, he is mad. Clean up this mess, he says. Making a mess is fun. Cleaning up this mess is no fun. At last we are done. Freddie and I are pooped. We plop onto the pillows. Soon we are ready for more fun. I say, I know something fun to do. We find paper, we find paints. We do not find brushes. That's okay, I say. We can use our hands. Freddie and I paint. Painting is fun. It is messy. It is pretty. Here, this is for you, I tell Daddy. He is not mad now. This is the best mess of all. The end. Thank you, friends, for listening to that story. Till next time, please follow, like, and share.